Welcome to everyone. This is Babu Rao Kunchala. Today I would like to explain Pranavayu, Garuda Portal and Operation Samudra Setu. These topics related to current affairs and it's important for UPSC exam and other competitive exams. So, and without wasting time, I will explain one by one. First one is Pranavayu, second one is Garuda Portal, third one is Operation Samudra Setu. Today I would like to discuss about these three current affairs. You can see in Hindu newspaper and Times Now and Deccan Chronicle. So now here, if you observe, first one here, Pranavayu. Pranavayu, actually this is a project. This project started by or launched by Karnataka government, particularly in Bangalore urban district in Karnataka. You know one thing, and Bangalore has recorded number of COVID cases, COVID-19 cases. So the number of cases confirmed in Bangalore area, some members died due to this pandemic. So at the time here, the government of Karnataka decided to reduce the deaths, particularly in Bangalore region, because most of the members who are infected due to this virus. So Karnataka government launched Pranavayu, a project. The Pranavayu means you know very well, oxygen. Pranavayu, what is Pranavayu? Oxygen is called Pranavayu. So how this oxygen reduced the deaths from the COVID and how it is helps to recover patients, COVID patients. So I will discuss. So these here and one here, if you observe, then Pranavayu, it is a Pranavayu awareness program, is an attempt to help people with low oxygen levels in their blood to get themselves checked early before their ailments become fatal. That means who has suffered low oxygen levels in their blood. If there are low oxygen levels, then what happening? Then if there is a low oxygen levels in blood, it's automatically your brain function may stop. So brain required and brain need always oxygen if it want to function properly. So then here a COVID patients, what happened? And if the infected people and COVID infected people, actually the major problem, breathing problem. So breathing problem, if there is a breathing problem, then oxygen supplies is low to the system or body, then automatically it affect on brain. So to overcome this issue, a Bangalore government launched a project called Pranavayu, and this project recognized low oxygen levels humans who are infected COVID-19 and they supply oxygen. And if they supply oxygen themselves, then what happen here? They can recover themselves if they get oxygen properly. That is the main aim of Pranavayu. So this Pranavayu and positive side of this Pranavayu and result of this Pranavayu project, so many patients recovered and discharged. There are 21 containment zones in the city where Bruhat Bangalore Mahanagar Palik, that is called BBMP, like in Hyderabad, GHMC. Then the same here, Bangalore Mahanagar Palik, Bruhat Bangalore Mahanagar Palik, BBMP is mandated to carry out quarantine and surveillance activities along with the persons, infected persons. This is the one thing you need to understand. So if you observe, then positive side, it's not only an Bangalore government and Bangalore, what we call BBMP, is implemented this project and they got good results. So that is one of the positive sides of this project. So next one, self-examine. How can you self-examine? A Bangalore City Corporation has launched the Pranavayu program. Create awareness on the need to self-examine the respiratory health for Bangaloreans. It creating the self-examine, that means your self-examine. You can recover yourself if you get the oxygen. A Bangalore City Corporation has launched the Pranavayu program, created awareness on the need to self-examine the respiratory health for Bangaloreans. Pranavayu helps lot of people who are infected COVID-19. It helps to reduce deaths in Bangalore area. There is a one positive side, and the result of the Pranavayu is a nice, good project launched by Bangalore. So next one, Operation Samudra Setu. Operation Samudra Setu. The main intention of this project, actually more number of people who lived in some areas like Maldives and Madagascar and different areas. So those Indians should take to the India. For that purpose, the Indian government launched project called Operation Samudra Setu. This is the one operation. Indian Navy, it's news, present it is in news. Indian Navy has launched Operation Samudra Setu. It is a sea bridge to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas. To repatriate Indian citizens from overseas. And the main purpose of this project, Indian naval ships Jalashwa and Magar are present en route to Malé in the Maldives to commerce evacuation operation as part phase 1. A total of 1,000 persons are planned to be evacuated during the first trip, and totally 1,000 members taken to the 1,000 members and brought to the India. Now they landed. Now they are in quarantine. That means here our Indian people who are lived in other areas, then they have to take back and here to the India and quarantine 14 days. Then after quarantine, they release to their own states. You know one thing here, this project started Indian government, and most of these person, actually the Samudra Setu project, and Malé or Maldives, in Maldives, those persons and these navy ships Jalashwa and Magar reached to the Kochi area. Kochi area. The evacuated persons will be disembarked at Kochi in Kerala. This operation coordinated with Ministry of Defence, External Affairs, Home Affairs, Health and various other agencies of Government of India and state governments. This operation is mostly covered by, and here along with the coordination with the Ministries of Defence, external affairs, home affairs, and health, and various other agents of government of India and state government. So this is the one thing here, Operation Samudra Setu. So next one is here Garuda portal. Government of India launched a new pilot project called Garuda portal. Ministry of Civil Aviation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation have launched the Garuda portal for providing fast track conditional exemptions to government agencies for COVID-19 related drone operation. This Garuda portal, which is related to drone operations, actually during the time of curfew, state governments who is suffering a lot, they can't monitor properly because COVID, they need to maintain social distance. So but anyway, if the state government used, if state government used these drones and curfew areas and curfew regions, they can easily monitor and they can easily solve this problem COVID-19. So that's why Government of India launched particularly a Ministry of Civil Aviation and Director General of Civil Aviation have launched this Garuda portal. If states want to operate their drones, they can get permission from this portal. They can apply and they can get permission from the Government of India easily. That is the main intention of this Garuda portal. So then one more, what is Garuda? Garuda is an acronym for Government Authorization for Relief Using Drones. It is a relief using drones. They can get, and that means your state governments can get permission easily from this central government about the operations of Garuda. So here then Garuda uses of, what are the uses of Garuda? The main uses of Garuda, it helps to monitor curfew areas easily by state agencies. Now states can operate drone needed regions or areas. State can get drones operation permissions easily by using Garuda portal. The rules and regulations related to the operation of drives, remotely piloted aircraft, RPA, are covered under Rule 15A of Aircraft. This Act passed in 1937. Then this Garuda portal, and which is framed based on the Act RPA, remotely piloted aircraft, are covered under Rule 115A. So the rules and regulations everyone should follow. Then the state can operate Garudas and state can monitor, drones. State can monitor curfew areas and curfew regions. You know, drones also, some of the countries we observe, and here to supply medicines, drones also used using for supplying medicines. So anyway, Indian government, and one scheme here like Pranavayu is launched by Bangalore, that is Karnataka, and next one Operation Samudra Setu launched by Government of India, and next one Garuda pilot project. Garuda, the project which is related to drones operation. These are the three current affairs topics. Thank you. Is it clear? Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.